A failed Chime payment is typically due to insufficient funds, incorrect card or account details, or security blocks. So, to fix this issue, you should just do this. If you have insufficient fund, just add money to your Chime account via the Move tab in the app. Or if your card is disabled, you can re-enable transactions in the app by going to Settings, heading to Account Settings, and toggling Allow Transactions. Now double check and re-enter the correct PIN, CVV code, expiration date, or billing address to match your Chime account information. Your account may have delay spending or withdrawal limits. Check your account limits in the app. You may need to wait until the next day for the limits to reset. Again, make sure that your card is activated. You can use the new feature of Chime on how you can activate your new card. And that's how you can fix if your Chime payment has failed, and thank you for listening.